All right, it's Saturday, March 25th. I'm at the Melbourne Air Show. We just pulled in. I've spent the better part of 10 minutes driving around in circles, backing up, going forward, trying to get the Jeep to engage park, and it is not. So you can see it shows it's in park, but the transmission temperature is still just being displayed rather than the coolant temperature, which should be up in the 206 degrees. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I got the boys sitting here waiting for me, missing this air show. Put it in park. All right, I'm gonna just have to leave it. Hope it works when I get back.